understanding and support. Just like we know that the party decision is supreme. At this point, I take a bow as your speaker, and I step down as your speaker of this great house. But before I leave, I have a little song. And I give the credit to one of our Islamic singers. Oh Rainy, if you one day you know, oh Rainy. Àwọn ọmọ pé bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ká tó sáré bẹ́yìn kan mọ̀ pé bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ẹ̀yin ilé wa. God bless Lagos State and God bless Nigeria.
Administration of the office of the Speaker on Honorable Mr. Mudashiru Obasa as the Speaker of the 10th House of Assembly. He has elected to swear on the oath.
I, Mojisola Miranda, solemnly swear that in the service of the state as the Speaker of Lagos State House of Assembly, I will be faithful, bearing true allegiance to Lagos State of Nigeria at all times. I will not discriminate on the basis of religion, tribe, cause, status, or practice in practice of any form of partiality in the performance of my official duties. I will always perform my official duties diligently and efficiently. I will not engage or be involved in any activities in conflict, either directly or indirectly, with the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria as amended. I will, in the performance of my official duties, eschew and expose corruption in any of its traces in and outside the public service. I will not communicate or reveal any matter which shall be brought under my consideration or shall come to my knowledge in the discharge of my official duties to any person except as may be required for the due discharge of my official duties as the Speaker. I will always follow the path of justice, honesty, and purpose among all the people of Lagos State, in particular, Nigeria in general, in all I do. Help me, Allah.
Thank you very much, sir. Sorry, sir. Please put your signature here.
Good afternoon, distinguished colleagues. I want to start by appreciating my colleagues. I want to thank you for your support, your dedication, your loyalty, and your staunch belief and the utmost respect for our party leaders. I thank you and I will always appreciate you for all you do. And let me sincerely single out my sister, the Deputy Speaker, Honorable Mojisola Miranda, who has been very supportive, loyal as Deputy Speaker. I thank you, ma'am, for everything. Thank you. God bless you. And let me also recognize our party chairman, Cornelius Ejelabi, and his team from our party secretariat. I thank you. I thank you for everything.